I started this cold brew yesterday, last night, and it's about, I don't know, like 2.5 cups of coffee, ground coffee, and then I just filled it all the way up to the top. It's probably like, I don't know, 8 cups worth of water. Then I'm going to take my Ellie's Best a nut milk bag, and I wanted to show you guys because there's 2 different like sides. So I don't know which side's the inside and which one's not the inside, but I like to make sure that this part is on the inside and this little thready part is on the outside. That way when you drain something through, like the oats or the coffee grounds, won't get stuck in these little thready bits because it's on the outside as it drains through. You know what I'm saying? That makes sense. And then we have this beautiful pitcher that I'm sticking my bag in, which is also an Ellie's Best pitcher, and it is sealed tight. I love it so much because you can put it sideways. You can use code Midnight Munchies for 10% off if you're interested in buying these. Okay. And then, oh, we just pour her right in here. It's a nice, beautiful cold brew. And look, I can hold this pitcher upside down and it doesn't come out. I love it so much. I also got this new protein powder that I really want to try out. It's actually chocolate flavored, and everybody said it's really good. So, and it's pretty cheap comparatively. If you get it on Amazon, it's like 16 bucks for 2 pounds. Now we're gonna make a smoothie with our cold brew and our protein powder, and I'm so excited about it. And it reminds me I'm doing like a Chunky Monkey style again. So if you haven't seen my fudge sickles, my Chunky Monkey fudge sickles, go watch that video. Link in my bio, link below. I don't know, link somewhere. Okay. So you do you. However much coffee you do or do not like, maybe you don't like coffee, I don't know. This is for 2 of us, so I'm fucking loading her up, girl, with coffee. Then I'm gonna add 2 scoops of this protein powder, which is also chocolate. Oh my God. Because we're also gonna add some chocolate almond milk. Oh my God. So you kind of do the ratios like to your liking. I know I said that before, but seriously. And a frozen banana. Some peanut butter. Oh yes, extra protein. Who is she? Then of course we gotta blitz her right up. And then we just pour her right on in here. Oh, look at how thick and creamy. Oh, I can't wait to taste it. All right, I'm getting excited. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay. I think next time I'd add another frozen banana just to make it a little bit colder. But this is so thick and creamy. Oh!
Oh, good night kisses while he wishes and reminisces. His eyes kissing while he waits for the full moon above. Oh, ivory dove, passionate love. Listening closely, positioning my intuition for her nutrition and ambition, get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning, get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning, get up.